It is summertime, hot and humid. Does the grilling, frying meat make you feel greasy and heavy? That's how I feel. I remember when I was little, my mom likes to make this no oil, no frying duck recipe to help us get through the hot weather. It was served cold, no extra dressing needed, usually paired with lots of vegetables, greens, and fruits. Very delicious and healthy for the hot summer days. This is my first time trying to make this recipe myself, but it turned out super easy. You really can't go wrong with the simple ingredients and steps. If you have not watched my videos before, welcome to my channel. I'm Crystal. So grateful to meet you on YouTube platform and share my everyday healthy home cooking videos with you. Don't forget to subscribe. Now let me show you how to make my favorite hot weather duck recipe step by step. I bought this whole frozen duck in my local Asian market. Sometimes Costco has it too. It's a little bit less than 6 pounds, 5.8. Thaw in the fridge until the day of cooking. Take the duck out of the bag, wash it clean, outside and inside. Then take out the liver. Don't toss away. The liver has a different texture, very high in protein, B12 and vitamin A, and tastes very good. Then dry the duck with kitchen towel. It's optional, but I like to cut off the extra fatty parts at the bottom. This is the neck, also very delicious. Next step is to prepare the seasoning. 1/3 cup of the salt, 1/4 cup of the Chinese peppercorns, a few pieces of star anise. On the medium heat, stir and let the flavor of the salt, peppercorns, and the star anise blend in until you see the salt is slightly turning yellow and you can see the smoke is rising and feel the strong smell. Pour the mix on the duck while it's hot. Then give the duck a thorough massage. Make sure you rub everywhere to help the seasoning mix evenly coat on the duck. Flip the duck, pour the rest on the other side, and rub. Don't forget the inside too. This massaging step is very important. It will give the duck meat a consistent taste, so don't cut corners here. Slice a few pieces of ginger roots. Insert into the duck. Then seal the container with wrap. Set it in the fridge for at least 2 days. This marinating step is also very critical. Be patient. I flipped the duck once on the next day to to let the top side absorb more seasoning. On the third day, take the duck out of the fridge. Rinse off the seasoning stuff on the surface and the inside. We're going to move on to the next step, simmering. Place the duck in the simmering pot. I use the hot water to save some time. Let the water merge the duck completely. Optional to add some roughly chopped green onion, peppercorns, and cinnamon stick. Plug into the base, seal the lid. Plug in. I use the porridge level to keep the temperature consistent but not boiling. Let it cook for an hour. A good way to check the meat is fully cooked is to stick a chopstick into the meat. When there's no blood come out with the chopstick, it is ready. Drain the soup into a big bowl. Fish out the residue of the seasoning ingredients. Don't waste the soup. It's a very good soup base, can be used in a lot of other recipes, which I will cover in another video. The duck is very hot now. Let it cool down in room temperature for about half an hour. Then put in the fridge for another 3 hours to harden the meat for easy slicing. When it's time, take it out. Use a sharper knife to cut through the bones. Slice the meat into your desired thickness. I like to add some leaves in the plate. Now the duck is ready for the whole family to enjoy. Before I call the whole family over to the table, let me steal a few bites first. The meat is very tender, mildly salty, not greasy at all. The simple ingredients from the seasoning make the natural flavor of the duck stand out. Tastes very yummy. Really delicious. This is our dinner for tonight. You can see there's a lot of veggies and fruits to go with the meat. That's how we consume meat in a healthier way. The last is the soup. I made out of the duck soup. Click on the link in the description to watch how I use the soup for various other quick and easy recipes. This is how to make this no oil, no greasy duck recipe for you to enjoy in hot weather. I hope you enjoyed the video and give it a try. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for everyday healthy cooking at home. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.